Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava phone guys Bluetooth setting. How to pair Bluetooth device with Lava mobile. Friends, you want to pair Bluetooth device with Lava mobile. So friends, how to pair and how to use Bluetooth setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava phone setting. After phone setting friends, second option Bluetooth setting, click here, and friends Bluetooth setting is disabled, so first of all enable your phone Bluetooth. After enable friends, refresh your Bluetooth setting. After refresh friends, you can check your available device. So if you have your Bluetooth speaker, earbuds, earphones, headphones, select your device and friends you can pair with your Lava mobile. And guys, your device name not show here, so you can off your Bluetooth again turn on your Bluetooth and select your device name. So friends, I have this speaker, I will select. After select friends, you can see pair notification. You want to pair? Yes, I want to pair. And friends, device will pair with my Lava mobile, and friends I can use the device with my Lava phone. And friends, if you click right side friends, you can rename your device name. You want to rename guys your Bluetooth speaker device name, so you can rename. So friends, I have headphone, you have speaker, you have earphones, earbuds, you can rename. So I will rename into my headphone. So friends, I will rename into my headphones and I will rename it. So friends, device name will rename. And friends, if you click disconnect option, so a device will disconnect with your mobile, and friends you cannot use. You want to use friends, just click here, automatic device will connect with your phone. And friends, if you click forget option, friends you can see first this notification, your phone will no longer be paired with my headphone. So again friends, if you click, so you cannot use, because guys first you will have to click on pair option. Friends, you can see device name will remove from here. Off your Bluetooth, again on your Bluetooth, refresh your Bluetooth. And friends, if you again click here, so you will have to click here pair option. Then friends, you can pair this device with your Lava mobile, otherwise you cannot pair. Okay. And friends, you can check your Lava phone Bluetooth. You want to rename your Lava phone Bluetooth device name, so you can rename also. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to use Bluetooth setting, how to pair Bluetooth device with Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.